In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow multiple responses in SurveyMonkey. If you're collecting answers from a shared device, running a kiosk, or simply need to let people submit more than once, this quick setting in SurveyMonkey will save you time. Let's walk through it together so you know exactly where to find it and what it does. First, head over to SurveyMonkey in your browser and open the survey you want to adjust. You'll see the familiar survey workspace with tabs for designing and distributing your survey. We're going to focus on the distribution side because that's where response behavior is controlled. Once your survey is open, go to the Collect Responses section. This tab is where SurveyMonkey organizes the different ways you can distribute your survey, called collectors. Each collector is essentially a channel, such as a web link, a social post, or an email invitation, and each one has its own settings. That means the option we're turning on applies per collector, not across the entire survey, which is helpful if you want different behavior for different audiences. Choose the specific collector you're using to share your survey. If you're sharing a public link, that will typically be a web link collector. Inside that collector's options, look for the setting labeled Multiple Responses. This control determines whether someone can submit the survey more than once from the same browser or device. By default, many collectors try to prevent duplicate responses using cookies, which is great for unique submissions, but not ideal for events, classrooms, or team signups where people take turns on one device. Click Multiple Responses and turn it on. Once enabled, the collector will allow more than one submission from the same device. You don't need to redesign the survey or change the link. This setting works with your existing collector and link. If you use multiple collectors, remember to adjust this setting for each one you expect to allow multiple entries. A quick note on when to use this. Enabling multiple responses is perfect for high traffic stations or any scenario where respondents may need to re-enter information. If you're trying to limit each person to a single response, keep this off and consider using personalized invites or tracking to discourage duplicates. That's all there is to it. You've opened your survey, gone to collect responses, selected your collector, and turned on multiple responses. You're done, and your survey is now ready to accept more than one entry from the same device for that collector. Thanks for watching, and happy surveying.